Greetings. My name is Yvette Jackson, and I am the CEO for Caregiver Chronicles. Caregiver Chronicles is an 8-week, 16-module, virtual, step-by-step, complete walkthrough on caregiving, providing, and the overseeing process of your loved one. The courses cover all aspects of caregiving, from the onset of your loved one's illness until they recover from that illness or until they transition home to be with the Lord. The courses will answer all questions related to caregiving, and myself, as a course developer, will be available to answer questions and to provide additional reinforcement and support by private consultation. Caregiver Chronicles was started in August of 2020 when we were in the midst of the pandemic and required to isolate. Having been a caregiver for my mother, who had Alzheimer's disease for 9 years, I often help others within their caregiver journey. During that time, I decided to develop the courses to reach those in need of guidance and direction. The target population is anyone who has questions regarding caregiving. At some point in time in our lives, we will either have been a caregiver, may be a caregiver, or may need a caregiver. It is important that we provide a platform where those who are caregivers can go and get their questions answered and their needs met. This award will allow me to market the courses and reach the target population to set up a process to secure their registration for the online courses. We never know when we may become a caregiver. Therefore, Caregiver Chronicles is available to provide the support that one needs during this rewarding and stressful time in your lives. We also have a book available online at Amazon.com. The title is Caregiver Chronicles, Memoirs of the Journey. This book was developed for caregivers to share their testimony to help someone who might be in the midst of their journey. Thank you so much for allowing me to share this information, and I pray that we will be allowed to help you develop your Caregiver Chronicles. God bless you.